Hey guys, what's going on? D&K Knives. We're checking out more of the Demco that dropped in our shop. We checked out the Shark Cub previously. Now we're checking out the new AD20.5 full size. We got them in a couple different options here. We'll start out with our two budget options. If you guys looking for a entry-level full size, we've got the ones with the Grivery handle and the D2 blade steel. These guys here are a very affordable price, so they're excellent if you're looking for a really good entry level there into the full-size Demco. Got them in the orange and the black clip point or the shark's foot blade. Both have the awesome shark lock, your thumb studs, and your holes for the deployment. And then we also have 3V blade steel on these guys here that come with a G10. We've got either this nice kind of FDE G10 here, and then we've also got a very cool camo pattern, digital camo, and yeah, both blade styles as well. So yeah, some good variety here on the AD20.5. Also, we do have some that come in the carbon fiber as well. These ones are a little more expensive. These ones are real nice, real slick, nice, grippy carbon fiber texture to it. I should also mention that all of the Demco knives, because of the way that they're like built and shaped, they come with a proprietary pocket clip. So each purchase of a Demco knife will come with an additional pocket clip for left-handed usage if you're a lefty. So that's just a good thing to note. We also have them in just regular G10 as well. As we go up into our regular G10 and then like the carbon fiber, and then here in a second we're going to look at the titanium. All of these guys are going to have 20 CV blade steel. So these are going to be the more premium. That's your you know, a premium steel line there. And then like I say, we do have the smooth titanium, which is really, really nice. And then personally my favorite is this foot milled textured aluminum Demco. It's just awesome. It kind of looks like, I don't know, this really gives me shark vibes with the whole, you know, natural titanium look with the kind of scaly texture and then just the nice vicious looking blade. It's a nice one. This one is our top of the line though, so this one does come at a price. But we have all of those and more on our website, dnknives.com. So if you're trying to get a Demco Shark Lock knife, definitely come check us out. And while you're there, sign up for our email and our newsletters, and we will be giving you updates on more products to come. Thank you guys very much, and have a great rest of your day.